Hello, I'm Toro, and today I got maybe like we got like over 10 Hot Wheels that I want to open up. 5 of them are the 5-pack from that motor show. It's like I think like the newest 5-pack, and I think it's from like 2022. It's got some pretty cool cars in there, and also got like 8 other Hot Wheels that I want to open up. Kind of like this one, the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. This one's from the convertibles collection. And I already had another one of these, so I wanted to put this together. This is the red one, the white circle. It's pretty much the same, just in red. And I don't remember where I got that one, maybe from another 5-pack or something, but yeah, I just found it. I wanted to open one of these. And I did have one of these for my carded collection, which I already have all of them. Except I need to get those 2 Corvettes because I had opened them for my Corvette collection. Well, my Corvette collection is loose, so I need to get 2 more for my, well, for this set. This one's really cool. Convertible, black interior. It's all like silver, metallic. Some gray lines on it. A gray circle on the doors. Yeah, the rims look pretty nice. I like how all these like newer cars have like big wings. Looks really sporty. And this car is pretty much the exact same one, just in a red color. Oh, some loud car outside. But this one doesn't have the circle right here in the back like the red one, so. But other than that, everything's pretty much the same. Just different color. And I did get more of these little boxes from eBay, so I'm opening up these new cars for my collection. Let's see, I also got the mod rod. This one's really cool. It's the new color of the mod rod. And I already had, put these over here. I already had 3 different colors of this one. Including one like this, but in blue. Yeah, I really like this cast on. Just something about it. It's kind of like a, kind of like in between a bone shaker and a, maybe like a, I don't know, it just looks like a longer version of a bone shaker or something. This one has the orange glass, the big spikes on the engine, the big exhaust sticking out from the sides. It's all white with orange flames. I don't know, there's something about this cast that I really like. I like that they have all these different colors, different versions of them. These 2 are the same, but in different colors. And these 2 are the same. Yeah, there's something about this cast that I'm really digging. So I'm not sure if I miss some of these colors, different colors, variations, but yeah, I'm gonna probably look into that. I really do like this cast. And then when I open them up, it's better for me like to keep track of them in these cases because I keep them all together, so I know what I have and what I may need. That's a pretty cool little cast. So you also have the 2017 Camaro Cl1. It says 17 on the side. This one's a orange version, and I had already got the blue one. I had opened this one up already. This blue color is really nice. Let me kind of move these to the side. Yeah, but this the blue color is really nice. It's a really vivid color. And this orange one is actually pretty cool too. I think I got this one at the Albertsons the other day. Thought it was pretty cool, especially since I already had this color. I wasn't really collecting Camaros till like not too long ago. I started opening them up. Well, especially the newer Camaros, because like the 1971 or like the other older Camaros, those are just keep carded. This one's really cool though. The Cl1. These both are exactly the same except for the wheels and the... Actually, the wheels are the same, just this one has some white lines on them. And the color of the car. That's a pretty cool car though. The Cl1. Pretty aggressive looking Camaro. And I also got the Corvette. Another Chevy. This one is a 76 Greenwood Corvette. And this is from the 2022 8 case already, so yeah, it's the newer ones. It already has like the different logo. And well, it's not new for this year, so I don't know how many other colors of this Corvette there are. But all my Corvettes, I've opened them up. Better for me to track them in these little cases. But yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's like a really sporty Corvette. It's actually kind of long though. I don't know if it's gonna fit in me. I should have just kept the card. It kind of does fit. As long as it closes. Yeah, it's good. But yeah, this one is the number 22. It says Goodyear right there on the back. Looks really cool. It says Bell from like I think like the helmets. Number 22. This is like a really big cast though. Really long cast. And it's all yellow base, plastic base. Some yellow lines on the top. Number 22. And the color's like it's like a metallic blue. It's like a really dark blue. I don't know if you kind of see that on the light right there. It looks pretty good though. Almost black. See the back. It's all sticking out, wide bodied. Really big body on the sides. Yeah, it's a pretty long car, but I don't know what the Greenwood, if it's like a special one, maybe like a certain race car, or like a certain, like maybe like the company or something. But it's pretty cool though. It's a pretty long car though. Got some Chevys. I'm gonna open up the 5-pack. And I got 4 more over here too, so I'll just open this up real quick. This is the back of the box. The motor show. I had already got this 5-pack, but I just got another one to open it. Those are the cars that it has. Put this right here so I can see which cars are. The first one, the top one is, oh, this one's nice. It's the Renault. Actually have another Renault right here. Like a darker gray with black. Number 11. Oh no, it's number 1. Kind of like 2 1s, but it's a 01. This one was pretty cool. I really like this cast. It's a really small, sporty model. And I like how it has the Renault, like kind of like engraved right here on the wing. 01 Renault Sport. It's a nice cast. It's a nice color too. It's all red in the door. The inner like panel, I guess. 01. This one's called the Renault Sport RS01. Like a certain race car. Looks pretty good. And then they have the number 2 car. It would be the 2013 Srt Viper. It's all like the blue Shelby color with white lines. I'm pretty sure that Shelby also did like some Dodge Vipers or something like that. I'm not sure though. I don't really know much of that history, but I saw a documentary on that Carroll Shelby. Like how he just like changed like the whole Mustang, and he brought out with the Daytonas and the GT40s and stuff. And that was a pretty interesting documentary on Netflix. It's all black interior. Yeah, it looks really good. Black plastic base. This body, this color is really nice though. It's like a really almost purple, kind of bluish color. It's got some headlights. Yeah, and this the Viper is a really aggressive looking car. Like, it almost looks pretty scary. The number 3 car would be the Aston Martin Volcan. It's like an orange color, metallic color. This is all plastic base. Front lip, front bumper. Actually, the grille. It's got some little bitty headlights right there. It's a pretty cool cast. It's got a really big wing on the back though. Plastic roof. Pretty much just has like the metal body, just like the orange part. But it's a pretty cool car. I probably have to say the Renault is like looks a lot better. Even the Viper too. And number 4 will be the Jaguar XE SB Project 8 in purple. Man, look at this one. This cast I really do like too. Oh, and let me I got 4 more of these. Different colors. Check these out. Got the red one, the silver one, the metallic. This is a really nice color. Dark green, and the all black. And now I have the dark purple. Like how it has the roof like that, all glass. It's a really dark, like passion purple color. Jaguar on the back. Really big wing. 4-door turbo car. Like those headlights too. Front grille. Yeah, I think this is like the best color so far. I think the best color was the green one, until this purple color came out. This is a really cool 5-pack. And the last one from the 5-pack is the yellow Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. It's all yellow with the red interior. Kind of see that right there. It's got some tinted window on the front. But yeah, it's a really nice color. It's all yellow. This car looks really aggressive. But I don't like the yellow cars that, like I don't know if like the paint kind of fades, or there's just some parts that it looks a little kind of greenish. Like, so the metal, I don't get like a full color. You see like these like little parts right here. It almost looks a little green. Right, just like that color, it's just it's too bright. This does have a little bit of red details on the background. Yeah, that's a pretty cool car though. Oh, actually I have another Sesto Elemento. This one was actually from the mystery models, but from like series, I think series 2. So the number 2. The Italian colors. That look really cool. Yeah, it's the same car, just different color. But yeah, this one is actually pretty cool. Little Lamborghini. Oh, and I also have a few more cars. And this is actually like the first time that I opened these cars. I got the Muscle and Blown, 2 colors. This is the first color. This is the second color. Yeah, this car actually looks pretty cool. It almost looks like the Toyota Supra with like maybe like a almost like that mod rod kind of look with the engine. This is number 53. It's from the 53 anniversary car. But yeah, like the body looks pretty aggressive. Check out the back. The back window, you can see like a roll cage right there. It's got kind of like a dark chrome interior, but there's only one seat in it, like a race car. It's a true race car right there. Number 53. This is like a matte, not like gray, maybe more like a dark, like some certain bluish gray color, I guess. It says IMP fabrication. That's pretty cool. But I'm guessing this is like a, yeah, the name is Muscle and Blown, so it must be a fantasy model for Hot Wheels. But it looks pretty good though. I really like it. And the other color is the red one. This is like the newer one. This one is, they're both from 2021. One's from the L case, the first one, and the second one's from the Q case, which I think was the last case for 2021. It also says, is that IMP or TMP? Or actually, I'm not even sure what it says. But it says fabrication right there. This one's all red with the white lines. Yeah, I really like this car too. I like the body, looks really aggressive. The big engine, V8. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like the back too, how it has the back bumper like that. A little bit of paint right there. That's just a plastic base, metal body. But it looks pretty cool, and I like how it has the one seat interior. Like a race car. Now I got both colors. I thought I had opened this one already, so I was kind of looking for it, but I hadn't opened it yet, so I had it with my other carded cars. And the last two that I got are the Draft Nader. This is the first color in orange. It's like the newer one. Let's see, that one's from the, what is that? What the, I don't know. The M case? No, I guess it's like a certain, I'm not even sure. But this is the first color that came out. Wait, but this is not, oh yeah, it is new for 2021. But this is the first one that came out though. but it doesn't say the new for 2021. So I found that at the Albertsons too. And since I already had the other one, just wanted to open both of them. It's just like a little fantasy truck. It's got the metal base, plastic body. But it's a pretty cool color though. I don't know, it just has something that looks pretty cool. Pretty race truck looking. Like how it has the wing on the back. You can see right through it. 1C also, like a race car. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. See all the interior. You can see right through it in the engine. In the back right here. That's pretty cool. Got the orange one. And this is the color that I really liked. I wasn't gonna collect this model, but because of this color, I got it. This will be like the red color. In blue. Some pink lines. That looks really nice though. I really like that. Number 2. Oh, it's a Rio Asada model. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I like all of Rio Asada's. His models, they look really good. See right through it also. All blue. Front grille. Metal base. I like this color though, it just looks pretty cool. Well, that's pretty much all the cars that I got. That I wanted to open up. I got 2 colors of the Muscle and Blown, 2 Draft Naders. I got the Motor Show 5-pack. It's the newest like 5-pack that has come out. I got like 5 different Jaguars already. I really like this cast. 2 of the Renaults. 2 of the Project 7 Jaguars. And I got 4 of these. And these are really cool. You can hear the cars all louder here because there's like a main street like right outside my window pretty much. Yeah, sometimes the cars are so loud that my alarm goes off too. That's pretty much it. Just some cars that I wanted to open up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.